Our today's topic is the relationship of speed, distance, and time. Good day. In this lesson, you will learn the mathematical relationship between the speed, distance, and time. You will calculate speed from distance traveled in a given time and solve problem involving average rate and speed. Speed, distance, and time. Speed is a scalar quantity that refers to how fast an object is moving. Speed can be thought of as the rate by which an object covers distance. Average speed is a measure of the distance traveled in a period of time. It is something referred to as the ratio of distance and time. Average speed is equal to average over travel time taken. It's a measure of the distance traveled in a given period of time. It is something referred to as the ratio of distance and time. Example, determine the average speed of car that travels 2 hours. Given, distance is equal to 100 miles. Time is 2 hours. Average speed is equal to 100 miles over 2 hours. The answer is 50 miles per hour or mph. The following table lists units in common use for speed and their abbreviation. We have distance, time, speed, and abbreviation. For miles, distance, in time we have hours. In speed, we have miles per hour and abbreviation mph. For kilometers, and for time, it's hours. In speed, kilometer per hours, and abbreviation km/h. For meters, then hours, then meter per hours, then m/h. Then meters, second, meter per second, m/s. For feet and seconds, feet per second, fps or feet per second. For centimeters, we have centimeter per second and cm/second or cms. Example 1. Jessica drives from Manila to Baguio, a distance of 160 km in 4 hours. She then drives from Baguio to Benguet, a distance of 90 km in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Determine her average speed for each journey. So take a look the given. So from Manila to Baguio, we have 160 km as a distance and 4 hours our time. Then Baguio to Benguet, we have 90 km distance and 1 hour and 30 minutes for the time. So let us see the solution. Manila to Baguio, we have average speed of 100 km per hour and for our distance and 4 hour for our time is equal to 40 km per hour. Then for Baguio to Benguet, we have time taken 1 hour and 30 minutes. We have 1.5 hour or 3/2 hours. Then average speed is equal to 90 divided by 3/2 and is equal to 90 times 2/3. Then the answer is 60 km per hour. So, answer. The average speed of Jessica's journey from Manila to Baguio is 40 km per hour, while the average speed of her journey from Baguio to Benguet is 60 km per hour. So, it is stated here that distance is a total length of space between two positions. Then the time is the quantity measured or measurable period during which an action, process, or condition exists or continues. The relationship between speed, distance, and time can be expressed in the following equation. Speed, distance, and time formula. Speed is equal to distance over time. while distance is speed times time, and time is distance over speed. So solve the following problem. Number 1, I will read it for you. Drew drives an average speed of 45 miles per hour on a journey of 135 miles. How long does the journey take? Number 2, Jana cycled at an average speed of 8 miles per hour. If he cycled for 6 and 1/2 hours, how far does he travel? Then number 3, Jasmine has to travel a total of 351 kilometers. She travels the first 216 kilometers in 4 hours. Letter A, calculate her average speed for the first part of the journey. B, if her average speed remains the same, calculate total time for the complete journey. So let us see the solution for these problems. Number 1, time is equal to distance over speed. Then when we have 135 miles over 45 miles per hour, and the answer is 3 hours. And the answer is Drew's journey takes 3 hours. Number 2, distance is equal to speed times time. Then let us substitute our given 8 times 6 and 1/2 hour. Then the answer is 52 miles. Then the answer, the total distance traveled by Jana is 52 miles. Take a look for number 3 solution. Average speed is equal to distance over time. And for our distance, we have 216 and our time is 4. So the answer is 54 km per hour. And that's our answer. The letter B, total time for Jasmine to complete the journey. Solution number 1, since the average speed remains the same, we will use our calculated speed in A, which is 54 km per hour. Time is equals to distance over time. Our distance is 351 over 54. And the answer is 6.5 hours or 6 hours. So I will leave this quote from N.R. Narayana Murphy, an Indian IT industrialist. I've always enjoyed mathematics. It is the most precise and concise way of expressing an idea. I hope you learned from our today's topic.